ano naman yung inspiration mo para maging successful sa buhay?
Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, well, primarily, it's my family. Siyempre, tatay ako, I needed to provide for my family. At the end of the day, trabaho ko yun. Pangalawa, marami sa atin, alam natin, kaya natin maging successful eh. Alam mo lang yung nawawala, yung responsibility. Kasi when naging mahirap na siya, bibitawan mo na. Ako personally, I know I could be successful despite of all the hardships at saka mga hindi ko kayang gawin. Pero I just believe in myself na alam ko maging successful ako. Pero hindi ako yung natutulog lang tapos alam ko magiging successful ako. I take it to myself that it's my responsibility to succeed. Na okay, hindi ako successful pa ngayon, at least financially, no? At least on the financial aspect. Then I will make it as a responsibility to myself to succeed. So, kaya I really valued learning, making mistakes, then learning from it. So, parang for me, making mistakes isn't an emotional thing. So, of course, it's hard.
Part na siya.
Hard, mahirap. Pero every time I make a mistake, I see to it. I really tried my best to just put a data entry into it. Okay, nagkamali ako dito. I lost this much. Bakit? Ba't ako nagkamali? So, alamin ko kung ano yung reason. The easiest way is to just point other people. Eh, kasi siya, eh, kasi ganito. Eh, kasi nag-pandemic. Eh, kasi ganito, di ba? Pero, I really tried the best to understand why I make a mistake, why it failed, and saan ako nagkamali. So therefore, when I make the next steps and next move, alam ko kung anong iiwasan. So for me, yun yung isa sa mga, it's not an inspiration eh, parang sabi ko nga, it's a responsibility I put to myself. Kapag nagkamali ako, okay, biyak ako, masakit, o sige, magdamdam ka, pero make sure mga 1 to 2 days lang yan, mga ganyan. Then after that, go work again. Kasi may responsibility ako sa pamilya ko, may responsibility ako sa sarili ko, at may responsibility ko sa mga empleyado ko din.
And dun, based sa sinabi mo, parang dun ko nakita na kailangan natin maging accountable sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay natin.
Yes.
No? Wala tayong dapat sisihing ibang tao kasi we are the masterpiece of our own life.
Correct.